Jiram Krishna children, welcome to Art and Drawing class 2. In the previous class, we have learned that we need to practice straight lines, both horizontal and vertical, and also we have learned circles and curves. And today, I am going to show you few more lines and also few figures joining those lines. Come, let's get started. So the next type of line is curved line, like this. This is a curved line. We can also practice like this. Okay, the next one is zigzag line. This is called a zigzag line. So when we practice all these kind of lines and strokes, I will tell you what is a stroke now. Then we will be very much eligible to do any kind of drawing. Fine. Next one is this kind of twisted lines. This make you free to move the pencil in all directions. You should practice this every day so that you can freely move your pencil while drawing. So now what is a stroke? Stroke is something we give at a length like this. So these are said to be strokes. Very quickly we will draw a line, curved or straight. It is called a stroke. Fine. Next, we need to practice this one. Put a dot in between and give the small strokes in all directions. Dot. So this is a clockwise direction, right? We need to practice it anti-clockwise also. Means the reverse of the clockwise direction. This way. Like this. Next, coming to figures. What are figures? When we join two or more lines, it will become a figure. See, one slant line, straight line, another slant line. It will become a triangle. Slanting, straight line, another slant line. Slanting, straight line, another slant line. So like this we need to practice. Did you observe, children? I am not lifting my pencil. It means that we need to practice giving a line from all directions. If you lift your pencil like this, it is of no meaning. It means that you are not able to draw a line in this direction, like this, and like this. So we should not lift the pencil and draw the figures. Then we'll learn how to draw the lines in all directions, right? So next one is square or rectangle. See, I am drawing the lines in all directions. Straight line vertical and also horizontal, top to bottom, bottom to top. So like this we will learn drawing. We will practice drawing squares to learn drawing. Fine. Circles, I told you yesterday. Like this. So these are the figures. Now we shall assemble all these figures and draw a simple small drawing. See, I'll show you here. One small triangle like this. The next one is this parallelogram. Okay, the next one small square here, and another one here. So like this, a small house. Thank you.